Menteri Rangba Kejelau Konrad K. Sangma hakasau tarik leber ula pelait ya ki henriu teliki kali bekerpang ki bakot hadu iwei pon sawu praklur. Ya ki baon pendon kam da ki lineman bar ki nong trei ka MECL ki bale iki kam maramot na kebenta ban pensuk ban shengan bat ban keloi hakajing ajing syakri. Kini ki kali ki baladon lepa ya ki jingkieng ki bala pendait kerpang kin yarap ha ke shna bat maramot ya ki wayar bording ki badan syajerong bat hakinu-kinu ki jaka. Haduk mentah ka MePDCL kadang pendon kam daki kali ki bom don EA bat daki jingkieng na ke benta ki jingtrik kam ha kaliang ke bording. Hendrai kene gede kesin ke beningkong ha ke jela ba kene ke tenat kan don ya kini ki kali ki bekerpang balawan ra daka MePDCL hapok ke Meghalaya Power Distribution Sector Improvement Project ya ke bala beitingka daka externally aided project jong ka Asian Development Bank ong ke tenat ling ba ukerwo henne ke baar. Baru ki jinglut jingsep na kebenta kene ke projek ka ADB kalong haduk syihajar arspa arpusan pon nyo pusau klur ka bakentup kambun ki bayadei bat ki jingte ya ki arpusau teli ki substation ki bertemai ka jingpen bha ya ki sapusan teli ki substation ki bala don lepa nrius pa khatnyo city kilometer u sainar na kebenta ka line bording bertemai ka ba lai pulai kv ka jingpen bha ya ki arspa khandai pusan city kilometer u sainar electric jong ka Laipulai KV ubala dan lupa. Sunspa Laipway City kilometer usainar elektrik ka Khatway KV ka Batamai. Ka jingshna penbahaya ushispa prapuprat City kilometer usainar elektrik jong ka Khatway KV line bala dan lupa. Ka jing pendat yaki iwei point prapolak smart meter. Ka jing ya jong ka jing pentre yakini ki kam kalakot syaka 90%. Ka MePDCL kadai ka basyimpura ya ke jingkit kli ha ka baide bat ke jingpen biang bording syakipat ba nong pendon kam ha ka jela Meghalaya. Haduk mentah kumbah nyolak ki nong pendon kam bording kentup ya ki karkhana ki shanya teli ha ka MePDCL ha ka baide bat ke jingpen biang bording baro arpusau kenta. Ka jingpen biang bording klem jingtut ha ka por mensingi bat menmet kadai ka kam bakrau na ka benta ka MePDCL kamtam ha ka por duna Ka jingsam bording habaro ke jela bunsian kalangat hakijing hakapor liur. Kumta banle iki kamara muat bat penbha hakapor ke belingkot kalong ke basyam shitom shibun.
This is being done again in the process to make the entire maintenance and the services more efficient under the MECL. In the past, similar maintenance work used to be done by taking ladders, and the vehicles used to then carry the manpower and the ladders, and on that basis the ladder is used to rectify the lines, which could be a great inconvenience because sometimes the ladder would be short, and it could also be a danger for the people who are working as linesmen because the location could be slippery and very difficult situations. So keeping all of that in mind, we have modernized our maintenance program, and we have started with a fleet of few vehicles where these maintenance vehicles are powered hydraulically, which will allow the maintenance to be done in a much more faster and much more efficient way. We are starting with few vehicles as a pilot project, and very slowly we will expand this fleet into different parts of the state, in especially the rural areas and all the district headquarters, so that we are able to create and have a better uptime, and the maintenance can be done in a much more faster manner, and the safety and security of a linesman also can be kept in mind. The government has announced that we will not be having any scheduled load shedding this year also, which is again a very great achievement, and this has been done because of the hard work and and continuous focus of our Honorable Minister as well as our chairperson and the entire team of MECL. This would not have been possible without the work of every single employee of MECL who have worked dedicatedly to reform MECL and make it what it is today. And we are seeing an improvement, whether it is the uptime in terms of the scheduled load sheddings not being there, whether it's in terms of our AT&C losses, coming down to less than 18%, or whether it is the different maintenance aspects that we're talking about. We are slowly and steadily seeing MECL become a much more efficient, profitable, and a much more better and professional organization. Of course, we have a long way to go because a lot of challenges and a lot of past dues are there, but I think we are on the right track. So keeping that in mind, we are also working towards stabilizing the power distribution at the grassroots level. I'm happy to inform you that apart from the load shedding, which will not happen anymore, the second part of the problem we face is because of the lesser number of substations at the rural area. Because of less infrastructure and substations, when there is a flip or a trip in the line, it takes a long time to rectify because the area of coverage of one substation is very big. In order to make the system more efficient, we need more substations. And putting up more substations requires more finances and funds. And hence we have decided that maybe the numbers are large, but we need to start somewhere. And therefore, immediately, right after this session, we will be starting the implementation of 10 new substations. And slowly and steadily, every 6 months, every year, we will take up many more so that we finally are able to have sufficient number of substations, which then will ultimately ensure that our overall distribution network is much stronger, smoother, more efficient, and the uptime is much better.